I'm going to set up the experiment now. First, I'm going to put this right angle clamp on top of the rod. We want to put it very high so that we have lots of room for the spring to extend. Make sure it's tight. Put the short rod horizontally. Make sure it's tight. See, I'm putting at the very near the top of the long rod. So, because we are going to put lots of weight on the spring, it's going to extend very long. Now we need to put the ring clamp on the horizontal rod. You don't want to put it at the very end because then weight will make this bend and become unstable. You want to put it fairly close to the long rod to reduce the torque, and make sure it's tight. Everything is tight. And then we can hand our spring to it. Spring number 11. So we are going to use the meter stick to measure the extension of the spring. We want the number to get bigger as the spring gets longer. So we are going to put 100 centimeters on the table and 0 centimeters at the top. In fact, you see that it's a little bit too short, right? You can't measure the beginning of the spring, but you have to think about it. What we want is the extension of the spring. So all we need is to compare how much this point moves when we add weight on it. So the beginning of the spring, in fact, doesn't really matter as long as you don't change it between the original length and extension. So we're going to leave it like that. All we want is the end here, the bottom of the hook. That's the reading we're going to read. So as long as our meter stick has a reading there, we're fine. To make it more convenient, I will try to tape our meter stick. As I said, anything less than that doesn't really matter. So I don't really need a reading until I pass the. So I'm going to tape it like that. See if that's stable.
You could tape it to the top.
Yeah, maybe I should put another tape at the bottom.
Yeah.
Just to hold it. Make sure it's parallel to the rod.